The way you make lube for paper cartridges is, or really for any black powder, there's a lot of recipes out there. The most basic recipe out there is beef tallow. Okay, now beef tallow you can make yourself. You can render beef fat. Just go to your local butcher and ask them for for 10 pounds of fat or whatever you want, and just render it yourself. You can make tacos once a month for a year and save the grease from that. I buy on an eBay. There are people selling beef tallow, and that's where I bought it. It's not cheap because obviously they're doing a lot of work of rendering the fat and filtering it. This is like palm oil. It looks like you're buying palm oil, and they even say in there, they have a thing of replacing palm oil with beef tallow. The other ingredient is beeswax, and you just melt the two together. That's really all it is. You just melt beeswax and beef tallow and 50-50, and that's pretty much your black powder lube. As you can see, I gave up my alcohol burner here for a propane stove because I was doing a lot at a time. You don't have to do this much at a time, obviously, but then you just put it in your your metal container, because you're going to want to I use a half of a soda can, actually, cut soda can, and I leave those tabbies on there intentionally so I can knock off the drips. The cartridge kits, when you buy them, you can buy them with a pre-made tin of lube that you can just put on your stove and warm it up, or I use a coffee cup warmer, which I think is very common with people doing this, and it's just liquid for now. It's just, what I do is I make a lot and I pour it into one of my soap molds, so I have cubes of it that I can just melt in my little tin here.